What is going on, guys? Welcome to another episode from Messiah Gains on Cars. I'm here with my Mercedes tech, the Mercedes expert. Got a bunch of Mercedes here, you can see. And I'm getting my wiring issues sorted, my throttle issues sorted, and hopefully get this done today. So if you like the video, hit like, subscribe, comment down below, and enjoy. Quick update, guys. We've been working all day. First of all, we went through all the wiring at the front. Wiring was an issue because the rats had eaten that all up. Then we connected the computers, tested the engine pressure, engine temperatures. We found out that the air mass sensor, it wasn't working very well. We were getting a reading of about 25. We were expecting about 200 to 250 when we revved the engine. Tested another air mass sensor. Engine was just fine. So I've ordered the part is coming. I've ordered a cap cleaner, and I've also ordered another coolant sort of reservoir because mine was leaking. Here is our old coolant reservoir. You can see it's got a bit of a leak, so this will be replaced. We've done the wiring over there, and of course we'll replace this air mass sensor. finally back in the car. Holy shit, lots of crap been happening with the car in the last week or so, but you saw me going through all those mechanicals. Then what happened? I got on the road and my clutch pedal just depressed completely straight in. It got stuck basically. So of course I did some research. I mean, the car stranded me on the road. Clutch pedal went. I managed to get home in like second gear, and what we found out was master cylinder, slave cylinder both needed replacement. I mean, these things kind of can have an internal leak and it's leaking fluid, so clutch pedal feels really loose, and then it eventually just failed. So I've got a new master cylinder, I've got a new slave cylinder in, new fluids pretty much throughout the car, and finally we're all functional. I've got all my gauges working. We're good to go. We're good to go on our first real drive, and that'll be coming up in the next episode. So here are all the gauges, guys. You remember the last time I turned this on, it was quite a situation. Now here's where we're at. Check that out. Only got an ABS light on, which really isn't an issue, but gauges are there. Check the sound. Of course, the air mass sensor really made the big difference in the revs. You remember the throttle was missing before, engine was not getting enough air, and I was getting a lot of missing. I still have a bit of backfiring, but I just need to clear the system out. So it sounds pretty good, but a bit of backfiring. I really think there's a bit of freaking rat bodies still in my exhaust system, so need to run the car for a good 100, 200, 300 kilometers now, and get it going, get it used to the roads. So here's where we're at. So I hope you enjoyed this episode, guys. Many more coming. Hit like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you in the next one.